So imagine you had around 200 to 250,000 naira locked up somewhere, and you're getting around 10 to 15% profit per annum. Don't think, just tell me how much that will be in the comment section. All right, so today I want to talk about my mutual fund revenue that I got for the past 12 months. So it all started like 2 years ago, or 1 year plus now. I would say that when I started my investment journey, I came over here and I made a video about it. I told you guys that I'm starting a new investment journey, which is investing into the mutual fund. So it's funny how time flies. It's been over 12 months since I actually started that investment journey, and today I want to share my experience, my journey, and I'm also going to be showing you guys how much dividends I end up making in the last 12 months. So you definitely have to watch this. All right, so before we move forward, if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Solomon. Right here I come here, I talk about different side hustles in Nigeria. If you want to get more content from me, just give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, just click on that subscribe button to get more content from us. Thank you very much. And if you're new here, please join our community. Right, you can just click on that join button that you're seeing on your screen right there and join the community to appreciate the effort. I really appreciate you if you can do that for me. Finally, guys, I am not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice, so discard any advice you're taking from this video. You can just take this for entertainment or for educational purposes, because I'm just here to share my journey and my experience. Doing anything online could be very risky, especially if you're a complete beginner. So it's always advised to consult a financial advisor just to stay safe online, because safety is very important. All right, so let's get started. Before we go forward, we have to go backward. Let me take you back a little while and show you my journey, how this actually started. And I have 8,000 naira in my wallet, so I'm going to come here and put the amount, which is 8,000 naira in my wallet. So 8,000 naira will buy me 80 units. I can decide to sell it at any time. That is how I actually started my journey. So what are mutual funds? Mutual funds could be a collection of different stocks and different bonds into one portfolio managed by a professional. And that is why investing into mutual fund, it looks much more safer than investing directly into stocks. For example, stocks do fluctuate a lot and you might lose your money in the process. But with mutual funds, it's the other way around. Even if the market goes down, the only thing that will reduce is the profit or the dividends you will be getting, not your capital. Your capital is still intact. At least that is what I have noticed in the past 1 year. So this is from my own personal experience. Different apps and websites or agencies in Nigeria that you can actually use to invest into the mutual fund market. There are some of them that I'm using that I'm going to be mentioning in this particular video. The first one is Carrywise. Carrywise allow you to invest into the mutual fund market. You can buy different mutual funds using Carrywise. It's actually very simple. I think I made a video on how to set that up. You can go check it out. But the one I mainly use is this one they call Optimus by Afriverse, although they actually changed the name to I don't know what they are calling it now, but they changed the name. Let's check that out. So the new name right here, it's actually called Pluto's Neo. That is actually the name. So you can do what to check it out. And if you're signing up, make sure to use my invite code so that you can get some bonuses while signing up. I think that's actually possible, right? And they're going to require your ID card or your ID card. And mind you, if you're not up to 18, you cannot do anything on this platform. Please, if you're not up to 18, you cannot do anything on this platform. Take note of that. So after you do all your legal documentation, like your face, your NIN and everything, the next thing is for you to get started. To be sincere, I like calling it Optimus. I'm more familiar with that, not this is their Pluto's whatever. Now when it comes to Optimus, they have different sections on this particular platform. They have their dollar section. Now this is when you convert naira to dollar and keep it in their dollar wallet, so that if the market fluctuates, you can sell and make some profit. The second part, they also have an affiliate program. Third one right here is their savings. So they have normal savings, so you can just save out some of your funds. You get a certain percentage per annum from your savings on the platform, but that is still not much. Another thing they have is the US stock market. You can also invest into the US stock market, or you can buy stocks from US companies like Tesla, Meta, Google, and the rest using this particular app right here. The thing with US stocks is that they are very, very expensive to buy. So instead of me going into that, which is still good, but if you don't have the money to go into that, you can actually start with their mutual fund. This section, you can come here and click on mutual funds right here. They have dollar mutual funds, and they also have Naira mutual funds too. Under Naira mutual fund, they have AEF, they have APF, which is Afrivest Bluetooth Fund, Nigeria International Debt Fund, and they also have this one called Afrivest Hatal Fund right here. It's 100 naira per unit. For you to buy each unit right here, it's 100 naira, and just set aside 5,000 in a month and buy this 100 naira per unit, and you're going to get a whole lot of units. At the end of the year, you might actually realize a significant amount of units inside your wallet. So this is the moment of truth. So I actually started this in the month of December. My first interest was in the month of January, which is the next year, and it wasn't that interesting. You can see APF interest was just 69 naira. I mean, that could discourage anybody. I kept on going. January, February, March. In the month of April, APF interest in the month of April 3rd, 4,500 naira. From 69 to 4,500. I kept on going. I put more effort right here. Another 3 months in the month of July right here, which is over 33,000 naira. 69 to 4,000 to 33,000 naira. I kept on putting effort right here on the platform. I kept on investing my small 3k. So the next quarter right here, which is Friday, October 3rd, I got 8,000 naira. And the next quarter right here, which was January, APF interest on Tuesday, January 6th, 9,000 naira, which is January that just passed right here. I got 9,000 naira plus, let's just another 9,000 naira right here. I got over 33, 4,500 naira plus 69 naira. The total was 55,000. Now, this is not bad considering, number one, the capital I use in investing. Compare this to some savings platform. I think this is much more better considering the capital, which is under 200,000 or 200,000 naira. This is actually not bad, you understand, because I started small. That is how much I've been able to get over time. So considering that, plus the market do fluctuate, and also my capital is still intact, and what I do is that whenever I get any profit, I don't use it, I reinvest the profit buying other units on the platform. That is what I personally do. So considering the capital, considering my safety, you understand, and considering the market, I think it's not that bad. But what do you think? 55,000 naira in 12 months as my dividend, is it actually worth it? Is it worth it, or have I been wasting my time, or it could have been better for me to just keep my money inside my bank account? So let me know what you think in the comment section. This is what I got in the space of 12 months. Is it worth it? I really don't know. So let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. I'm going to see you guys in my next video, and bye for now.